Hello and welcome dear friends in the series of basic English grammar. In this video we are going to talk about present continuous tense, the second factor of the present tense. In last video we have seen how to use simple present tense with its correct formula. Today, without taking much time, let us start our today's topic, the second factor of present tense, which is present continuous tense. Now, what purpose the present continuous it is used? Isn't it? In simple language, it is used to show the present action. Isn't it? It is used to show the present activity at the time of speaking. Isn't it? Right present, I am speaking, I am talking with you. At the same time, the teaching of English, it is going on. Isn't it? Many more examples of present continuous tense. They are: he is playing cricket outside. She is singing a song. Mother is cooking something in kitchen. Father is driving a car. Isn't it? The present action or the action which is continuously going on in the present time at that right time, it is counted in present continuous tense. Let us see for what purpose the present continuous tense it is used. Yes, it is used to show an action which is continuously going on at the time of speaking. Let us translate the same into regional language. अशी एक क्रिया किंवा अशी एक घटना बोलते वेळी चालू आहे, ती क्रिया सुरू आहे असं दर्शवण्यासाठी प्रेझेंट कंटिन्युअस टेन्सचा चालू वर्तमान काळाचा वापर हा केला जातो. Yes, the formula. Now once again the formula. Isn't it? It is not so much complicated, much simple. Let us see. Subject plus am, is, are plus main verb ing plus object plus complement. Once again, subject plus am, is, are plus object plus complement means these helping verbs we have to change them as per the demand of subject. Isn't it? जसे सब्जेक्ट असतील त्यानुसार दिलेले तीन हेल्पिंग वर्ब हे त्यांची जागा घेतील. यस, थ्रू दिस डिफरंट सब्जेक्ट्स, isn't it? Once again we are going to make the topic much easy. Here on the board we have divided the 8 to 10 different subjects in a 3 different columns, in a 3 different boxes. First is first person singular and plural. Second is the second person singular and plural, and here in this corner third person singular and plural. So let us see how the 8 different subjects they are sorted and they are categorized in these 3 columns. Let us see about first person singular as well as plural. Isn't it? In case of the subject or in case of the pronoun which are in first person singular and plural case, the formula we have to apply, that is I oblique we plus am oblique are plus main verb ing plus object plus complement. प्रथम पुरुषी एकवचनी आणि अनेक वचनी कर्त्यांसाठी फॉर्म्युला आपण थोडासा सॉर्ट आउट सेपरेट केलाय आणि फॉर्म्युला आहे I oblique we plus am plus are plus ing object plus complement. Once again through the example, let us try to understand who is the first person singular and who are or who is the first person plural case. Whenever I have to talk about myself, isn't it? I have to say I am singing a song right now, isn't it? Or I am singing a song now. That is first person singular. Now let us talk about first person plural. We are singing a song now, isn't it? we are singing a song now, it will explain the present condition of the case or of the plural case, that is we. Now let us talk about second person singular as well as plural. Check out the formula. Subject for second person singular you and plural again you plus are main verb with ing plus object plus complement. द्वितीय पुरुषी एकवचनी आणि अनेक वचनीसाठी एकच प्रोनाउन नेहमी वापरले जाते आणि ते आहे you. Isn't it? You are a student and you all are students. Isn't it? For second person singular and plural, in this case there is a common helping word used in present continuous tense and that is are. एक कॉमन हेल्पिंग वर्ड जे कंटिन्युअस टेन्स मध्ये सहसा द्वितीय पुरुषी एकवचनी अनेक वचनीसाठी वापरले जाते आणि ते आहे आर. Therefore our examples are you are singing a song now, you are singing a song now. Okay, now let us see the third person singular as well as the plural case. We know, we have studied, we have learnt he, she and it. These three pronouns, they are known as third person singular. Isn't it? Now what we have to use in front of them and what is the plural case of he, she, it? Yes, let us see. He oblique she oblique it or they plus is oblique are main verb ing plus object plus complement. Isn't it? He, she, it. Third person singular and continuously in front of these third person singular subjects we have to use is. Okay, common helping word for the third person singular, it is, and therefore example is he is singing a song now, she is singing a song now and it is singing a song now. Alright, now let us see the plural case. They are, alright, they are singing a song now. Isn't it? And the remaining two, Rahul and Radha, in case suppose when pronouns aren't there and suppose we are talking about the third person singular naming word, they are Rahul or Radha. Once again we have to use is and is. That will become Rahul is singing a song now, Radha is singing a song now. Now let us try to recollect what we have discussed in this today's video. We were talking about present continuous tense, an action which is going on at the present time or at the present moment. बरोबर? सद्य स्थितीमध्ये चालू स्थितीमध्ये एखादी क्रिया चालू आहे सुरू आहे दाखवण्यासाठी या प्रेझेंट कंटिन्युअस टेन्सचा वापर केला जातो. द फॉर्म्युला, द कॉमन फॉर्म्युला वी हॅव सीन. सब्जेक्ट, as per the demand of subject we have to change the helping word, sometime am, sometime is, sometime are plus main verb. Yes, it will come with ing form plus object plus complement. Now let us change the verb. Just we have taken here, we took sing as a verb in this example or in this video. Let us change the verb. Let us take a verb play. Whenever or when I have to talk about myself in present continuous situation, I have to say I am playing cricket now. In first person plural case, yes, in case of we, I have to say we are playing cricket right now. In second person singular and plural, you are playing cricket now and you all are playing cricket right now. Just third person he, she, it. Once again, common helping verb is same way to apply in front of them. He is, she is and it is playing cricket now. And in case of naming word, for Rahul and Radha. Again, Rahul is and Radha is playing cricket now. I hope you might have understood the present continuous tense with the help of formula as well as examples. But in case, suppose if you have any problem, if you have doubts regarding to the same topic, please write your doubts and problem in the comment box. I shall try to solve, I shall try to make it clear, and once again through that we will try to make our video more easy and comfortable to you people. Thank you and have a nice day.